My dear students, this is exercise 5.1. The first question is, it is asked like that, are the numbers involved in the following in a P? You see, one question is, taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. What is the condition? Suppose you are hiring a taxi, then the first kilometer you must have to pay 15 rupees, and after that each consecutive kilometer you have to pay 8 rupees. Then the numbers which will be involved here, whether those numbers are in a P, this is the question asked from you. My dear students, here you see first kilometer. Suppose you are getting 10 kilometer. So first kilometer you must have to pay 15 rupees. After that, suppose second kilometer. First kilometer, so it has gone. Only you have to pay 50 rupees. After that, 1 kilometer if you are going, 8 rupees more. Again, third kilometer you are getting 8 rupees more. Fourth kilometer you are going, 8 rupees more. Like that, it is increasing. So you see, A means what? Here, A means the fare for the first kilometer. Fare for the first kilometer. What is that? That is rupee 15. After that you see A2 means what? This is A1 also you can tell, or simply you can tell A. A2 means not for second kilometer. A2 means fare for the first 2 kilometer. Fare for the first 2 kilometer. You are getting how much? First kilometer 15, and after that 1 more kilometer, that you have to pay 8 rupees more. So what you are getting? 15 and 8, rupee 23. A3 means what? Fare for the first 3 kilometer. 3 kilometer. How much will be there? You see, 1 kilometer, first 1 kilometer you are getting 15. After that 2 more kilometers you are going, so 8 plus 8, 16. So all together 16 plus 15 you are getting 31 rupee, 31, and so on, and so on. Means it will be going like that. My dear students, these are the numbers involved. Are they in a P? Now we are going to check. A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1, A1 or A, it is the same thing. A means first. How much you are getting? 23 minus 15. You are getting 8. A3 minus A2, you are getting 31 minus 23. You are getting 8. Therefore, and this should be rupee. Because always you see rupee. Here also rupee. My dear students, what you got? A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to ... like that it will come. A4 minus A3, always you are getting what? Rupee 8. Therefore, common difference, you are getting always a fixed number between any two consecutive terms. That is the difference, common difference. Therefore, the given or involved numbers are therefore involved numbers are in AP. Now one thing is there, what is the common difference? That is also sometimes asked. Common difference is equal to rupee 8. This question is finished. 3 more questions are there. In the first one, 3 more sub questions are there that you can do. Now, another question I am going to do. Question number 2. Question number 2 again I am going to do. Question number 2. 1. If A is equal to, we are getting, suppose from our side also I can give A is equal to 4 and B is equal to, we are getting B is equal to, we are getting suppose 6 or 5, you take 5. Find the AP series. Find the AP series. Here you can do like that. You remember like that. A2 is equal to you. A2 is equal to, you can write A plus common difference. A3 is equal to what we can use? A plus or A2 plus common difference. A4 is equal to A3 plus common difference, like that we can use. So here A is equal to, okay, A is equal to 4. So A2 is equal to what you are getting? 4 plus or A plus common difference. So A is 4 plus 5, you are getting 9. A3 is equal to what you are getting? A2 plus common difference. A2 is 9 plus common difference is what? 4. Common difference is 5. 40. And like that. And so on. Very different you will get like that. So on. Therefore, required AP is 4, 9, 14 dot. Sometimes it may be asked, here suppose in this the same question, find the 10th term. 10th term. How can you find? In the same question, if it is written, find the 10th term. So we can do like that. 10th term means what? A10. A10. A plus n minus, we are writing like that formula. A n is equal to A plus n minus 1 d. Here 10th term, so we have to write A10. And A is equal to what we can write? 4. N means what we can write? N. Here is 10th term, so n is equal to 10 you have to take. Minus 1. And D is what? D is 5. My dear students, Here you see A10 is equal to 4 plus 10 minus 1, you are getting 9. 9 into 5, we are getting like that 4, 45. You are getting 49. So 10th term is term is 49. I think you understood. One more question I am giving. Question number 3 I am giving. Question number 3. From the book itself I am giving you. Question number 1. Find the first term and common difference in the AP AP 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9 dot. Here you see what is the first term? First term is equal to 0.6. Common difference is equal to what you are getting? Second term minus first term, or third term minus second term, fourth term minus third term, like that you can find out anywhere. Suppose second term is what? 1.7 minus 0.6. So you are getting 1.1. This is the common difference. So you got the answer. Now question number 4. Find 3 more terms in the following AP. Find 3 more terms in the following if they are in AP. Numbers I am giving myself, not from the book exactly. What is that? Suppose I am giving 3, 6, 9 dot. Here you see a second term minus first term, what you are getting? You test first of all whether they are in AP or not. 6 minus 3 you are getting 3. 9 minus 6 you are getting 3. Therefore 6 minus 3 is equal to 9 minus 6 means first term minus second term minus first term, third term minus second term dot is equal to what you are getting? 3. So common difference you got 3. They are in AP. They are in AP. Why are they in AP? Because same common difference you are getting. Now 3 more terms you need. How can you find out? 1, 2, third, first term, second term, third term you are having given. But fourth term, suppose fourth term you are going to find out. After that you do here. Fourth term is what? A4. A4 is equal to A3 plus common difference. What is the common difference here? 3. Common difference is 3. So A3 means what? Third term. What is the third term? 9. And what is the common difference? 3. Why common difference 3? You see always 3 is coming. So you are getting 12. A5 fifth term. Fifth term is equal to what? A4 plus common difference. A4 is what? 12 plus 3. So you are getting 15. You may write 2 more terms are. Therefore, you may write 2 more terms are, or why here? I am going to write 2 more terms are terms are 12 and 15. Today I have finished the work. Tomorrow again I will make some video for you and you will get the answers from this lesson. So today your homework is what? Exercise 5.1. You must do at home, taking the help of the done questions. I hope you can. Good night.